Hello, today we're going to talk about 8085 instruction set. In fact, in this playlist, we're going to see the programming part of 8085 and we're going to deal with what kind of instruction sets are present in 8085 and how do we use those particular instruction set. So, for recalling, I hope you do have this knowledge in case of 8085 that we have 7 different pairs of or 7 different general purpose registers which we can use in programming, which are B, C, D, E, H, L and A. All of these registers are of 8 bits. So first of all, we are going to start with MVI instruction. So we use MVI instruction to load any 8-bit data in any of our registers, and 8-bit data in any register. So the syntax is, we'll write MVI, we'll write the register name and then provide a comma and then write a value. So this is the syntax for MVI instruction. Suppose we say that we want to load a value 03H, which is in hexadecimal format, which is always given in hexadecimal format in case of 8085. We try to load this in register D. So the instruction is going to be MVI D, 03H. So basically we write the register name first and then the value which we want to store in this particular register. Similarly, we say that we want to load a value F2H in register L. So the syntax is going to be MVI L, F2H. So this is how we use MVI instruction, which is basically used to load any 8-bit data in any of the general purpose registers available to us.